Indian troops launched a cordon and search operation in the Kupwara district. The troops launched the operation in the Bandi Mohalla, Channipura area of the district. The operation was on till the last reports came in. All parties Hurriyat Conference has paid glowing tribute to the prominent Hurriyat leader Shaheed Ghulam Muhammad Bulla on his 50th martyrdom anniversary. Bulla was arrested by the Indian police in February 1975 for leading a protest rally against the Indira Abdullah Accord. On 15th February 1975, he was martyred in the central jail Srinagar after being brutally tortured. New Delhi appointed administration led by the Lieutenant Governor has seized yet another property of a Kashmiri civilian in the Baramulla district. The property, comprising one residential house along with a single-story poultry farm and 2 canals of the land, was confiscated under draconian law, the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Kashmiri political leaders have strongly condemned the recent seizure of hundreds of the books linked to Jamaat-e-Islami by the Indian police in Srinagar, calling it a direct assault on the religious freedom in occupied Kashmir. Indian police during a raid in Srinagar confiscated over 650 books written by the renowned Islamic scholar and Jamaat-e-Islami founder Abdul Ala Maududi, as well as the iconic pro-freedom leader Sayyid Ali Gilani. Altaf Husainwani, chairman of the Kashmir Institute of International Relations based in Islamabad, has written a letter to the United Nations Special Rapporteur. Altaf Wani, in his letter to the UN Special Rapporteur on the arbitrary executions, Maurice Tidball Binns, emphasized that the continued and systematic use of custodial torture by the Indian occupying forces in occupied Kashmir constitutes a grave violation of the fundamental human rights and the international laws. The administration led by the New Delhi appointed Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha in occupied Kashmir has dismissed 3 more Kashmiri Muslim government employees. The government employees are currently lodged in different jails under the false charges of supporting the pro-freedom activities in occupied Kashmir.